If 2008 Hyundai Tucson customer came in with radio doesn't power up, we're going to find out what the trouble is. First, we're going to take the radio out. What you're going to have to do is, on the bottom of the shift knob, there's a tiny cutout right here. Remove that cover with a little poke tool. Then there is a screw there. Remove that. Don't lose that screw. There's 2 screws there. Pull the shift knob out. And second step is to remove this silver plate. They're partially out, so you're gonna have to remove that. Close the door for me, please. Remove the shifter knob. Then remove that plate. There is a plug here. Remove that plug. And there's 3 screws on each side. Actually more than that. There's 2 here, 2 here. It's a total of 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws holding on to that middle plate. So remove all the screws that's on the bottom. Yes, we don't have to take these out.
Yes.
We do have to take that out too.
Yes.
Oh, it overlaps. Okay. So this plate, it overlaps the bottom of this, so you're gonna take this out. Plate comes out like this. You can pull out this entire plate after that. A lot of the cars with airbag indication lights, if you disconnect that with the ignition on, sometimes it gives you airbag indication, SRS light indication on the dashboard. So if you don't want to deal with that, you can just disconnect the battery and put the whole panel back in after you finish what you're doing. And if you happen to set the airbag light on, you can just go to AutoZone or Pep Boys. They'll lend you the tool at no cost to you, and you can reset it. It's just trying to disconnect all the harnesses for the airbag indication and clock, the Fargo lines and hazard lights and stuff. I'm gonna stop that. Basically, you are disconnecting all these harnesses. Alright, so we got all these plugs disconnected. Now we're gonna remove 4 screws on the radio. Pull the radio out straight. power and see what happens.
숨이 좀 check the power
Park. That's the constant power, which is the orange white. That's the ignition. So we do have power, so it's in the radio itself.